You were the passengers on a most uncommon elevator. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and ended up nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Ready for it?
Or you may find yourself in a
I can do it again. That was